All right, plan of the day. Start cleaning out this old chicken coop that a forest rat has made its home. So I can get all this old hay and straw out of here. I think that's all straw. And start cleaning this thing up. Got myself a respirator so I don't get the black plague or hantavirus from all the rat crap and piss in here. Got my wheelbarrow, gloves, rake, pitchfork, and get to it. All right, here we are. Just have to do some little fine touches here over in the corner, and probably take this thing out, take this feeder out, put in a new door, maybe one of those solar paneled door things, and then probably use some of the old plywood roofing and siding from that lean-to and just lay it down on the floor in here and cover up all these little areas. I don't know if that's where the rat comes up from under there, or who knows where. This whole other room here is full of shit too I gotta clean out. And all those leaves, jars, just nastiness. So that's for another day. Right now I just want to get this chicken coop area done up so we can transfer the chickens and ducks and everything over here. That's how much stuff was in there. That and all that was wheelbarrowing, and got tired of that, so I just started throwing it out the door. So I gotta wait till October to burn. Throw all that in a burn barrel or burn pile and be done with it.